Filipino food ranking par 3. Let's see. Pork from Tokyo. Number 3. Yes. Chili Choy Bad Boy. The best one, number 10. Let's see. Lechoy Hawaii. 7. Chicken Adebayor. 6. Tortilla. 4. Tortilla, I know, from Spain. Biscuit. Number 5. Peanut butter. Number 9. Curry sauce. Number 8. Let's see. Shampoo. Shampoo Head and Shoulders, number 1. And number 2 is pork from Shanghai.